Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. A mini love bite for you, Leo, just to check on your energy, see how you guys are doing. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so please keep that in mind. So let's see. My angel spirit guides, please bless my Leo gang and send them the answers they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So, Leo, before we begin, we're going to start with an angel blessing card and see what my angels are going to bless you with a guidance or a message or a blessing. Let's see what there is for you today. So, a blessing, my angels, or guidance message for my Leo gang. This one, all right. Let's keep this here, Leo. Put the rest back. So the card I have for you here, Leo, is retreat. All right. So either you have to step back from a situation, Leo, or maybe it's really time for you to take a small vacation or something. Retreat can be both ways, right? Retreat is like going for a little holiday, clearing your mind, or it could be taking a step back from a situation which no longer suits, is serving you, right? Let's open your cards and see why this lovely card is here for you today. Yes, this card just slipped out before I could start shuffling. This is you taking a break. Okay, this is somebody who's kind of put down their swords and saying, hey, let me just chill out for a while. Let me just relax my mind for a while before I get right back out there on the field. So let's keep this card aside. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the Omkara family. Very, very blessed to have your support to the channel. I'm very grateful for you being here. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the channel. Do subscribe and become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just a love bite. It's a very mini read, just 9 card spread to check your energies for any messages that you may need right now. If any of you are looking for a private reading, Leo, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. With that said, yes, you're dropping a lot of things, it seems. You're making decisions, you're going back and forth in your mind. You've decided to chill out, take a step back, and kind of block off the world, it seems, for a while. Let's open your cards and see. Knight of Swords, 10 of Cups, King of Swords, 2 of Swords, Queen of Swords, the Hanged Man, 6 of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Lovers. This card slipped out also when I was shuffling, but I put it back because I didn't want too many cards, coming out before I started the reading. So I took the first one and this one I put back, but it's right out again. So this is having made a decision. Maybe there was some swift communication in the past, which probably led to a fight here, Leo. Maybe there was some delays going on in a certain situation which you wanted wrapped up fast. Things were stuck, yeah. You wanted clarity, but things were delayed. Things were stuck. There was a bit of argument here, maybe as well. You really wanted to kind of rush through things, but there was a lot of stuff which had to be unearthed here. A lot of things that you were not aware of, which came out in the open. This could have been in a relationship where maybe at one time there was a lot of happiness here, but oh my God, I have this Knight of Swords again. So whatever situation, this could have been with your spouse, could have been with a long-term partner, where there were at one time hopes of a happily ever after here, but I think you had too many fights here. Look at this Knight of Swords with the Knight of Swords. So there's fights, and then a blockage. So things kind of really halted here. Things have come to a standstill, but maybe there was a lot of delay in this as well, where arguments or something was going on. There are some decisions, I think, still to be made or are being made at the moment, because again I have a King of Swords and a Queen of Swords. Like these are counterparts, but with swords in their hands and a decision in the middle. That means that there could be or are ongoing or have just kind of ended, or you could still be in the process of all this, trying to make some kind of decision between two people who had at one time hoped to have a happily ever after, but there is some kind of arguments going. Let's see what the King of Swords has to say. King of Swords, Spirit? King of Swords? King of Swords, this person wants to end all this fighting now. They are tired, they are exhausted. All they want to do is put an end to this bickering, fighting, arguments, and release anything that was toxic in their life. So, what does the Queen of Swords want to do, Spirit? Queen of Swords? Queen of Swords has also realized there is no more working together anymore, and it's time that we stop trying, because both these cards are in reverse. Both are trying to get over something which is no longer working. So, what is this decision to be made now, Spirit? Two of Swords? You both are looking for a fresh new start, a fresh new beginning. So this could have been a couple here, Leo, from what I see, but the way things have happened, things have really not gone the way that you guys may have planned it. And I think now both are kind of saying, hey, it's all right, let's just begin anew, which I think is separately here. What's this Hangman, Spirit? This is still the planning stage. So I think both of you have realized after all this that there is no working together now, Leo. Both are at crossroads. Look at this person with the world in their hands and saying, okay, so what's next? What's next? You both could be in your solitude. You could be in your silence, trying to get enlightened about what to do next. Okay, this is the next card. I'm at crossroads here now. The past is behind me. Now I have to think deep as to what is it that I'm going to do next. So maybe that's the reason you've kind of retreated from the world here with this card. You've taken a step back to analyze what has just gone down and what will be your next step now. So I think what you really are looking for is an equal partner. So the Six of Pentacles. One more with the Six of Pentacles, Spirit. I think what you hoped for, I think, Leo, in the past, with this partnership, you were expecting this. You thought, this person, being with this person is going to be like a equal partnership. It'll be an equal give and take. We can, have a happily ever after with the Ten of Cups here. But I think some of the promises made by one to the other or vice versa could have ended up in false promises. These promises were never kept. Yes, it was romantic for a while, it was exciting for a while, but it eventually ended up totally confusing the both of you. And this started feeling like a big burden because none of those promises were ever kept. That's what has led now to this Wheel of Fortune for being stuck for the two of you. Now I think you're both on that place where you're making that final decision. So let's clarify these. Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Spirit. Where's the Wheel of Fortune in reverse for my Leo? Leo, your card is here and it's upright and it's exciting. Yes, even though things have been feeling stuck for a very long time here, Leo, something is suddenly going to change for you very, very soon, if not already. This is going to be a tower moment which is going to push you out of this old chapter of your life into supreme happiness. This was probably a lesson, a karmic lesson or something that you had to learn. But after feeling stuck for a long time, Leo, look at this. The tower moment pushes you into the sun, which is your card. And it's the happiest card in the deck. So what's this Lover's card then, Spirit? Absolutely correct. So, Leo, no wonder you're taking a little bit of break right now. Uh, what you have decided, I think, here is whoever the soulmate of yours was from the past. Yes, this was a very special person in your life for a long time, but now I think time is over with the soulmate. There's a stagnancy here. You are putting a halt to the situation. You are realizing this chapter of your life now has to come to an end. This is a closing of an old partnership with an old soulmate here. And this is going to be a firm decision made now, once and for all. And if you've already made it, or you are in the process of making it, yes, you are taking a step back to kind of go over the details. I think here now you're just kind of healing yourself. This is a transition time for you, my lions and lionesses. Don't take it to heart, okay? After this little bit of self-love, self-care that you're going to give yourself, after dropping this back and forth energy, it's going to make you so happy because the new chapter of your life is about to begin. And this is going to be a really, really happy one. Okay, so rest up, take a step back. Whatever decision you've made, I think is the right one here. It's time to release all toxicity from your past now. And you are going towards this brand new beginning, which is going to give you so much happiness. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste, Leo.